Hello guys, little Dean again. Today I am going to show you how to make a basic calculator in MIT App Inventor. Let's start. So first let's go to projects and go my projects. Now let's create a new project. Let's call it basic calculator. Okay, let's okay. Now let's go with that. Here we can see the designer and blocks. So let's go to designer first. Because no apps without a with, because with the app, if an app don't have designer, it does not have design. So let's make the app have design. So first we are going to get a label. Let's make it any just make it any color you want. If you want, you can also change the screen first. So this is screen 1. Let's make the background default. Let's make the background default to CN. Anyways, you can actually make any background you want actually. So now let's make the text for label 1. The text for label 1, you can see here at the last. Enter value 1. Now let's make a text alignment center and make the font size 25. Now let's make the height automatic and the pixel fill parent. Now we can see there's a label. You can put any color actually you want. Now I think I am going to get default. Okay, let me take another color and let's make it dark gray. This too dark. Okay, I think I'll make it green. Yeah. Now, if you want to make it bold, you can also make it like this. But I think I don't want to make it bold. Now, we are going to add a text box where the user can write in it like this. Now, let's now make the height automatic and the width. Let's make it fill parent. Now we are going to make enter value 2 because you can see as a calculator needs 2 values. Now let's make another one, another label. No, not this. Let's make a label. Now let's put it any color. Don't put the same color. Repeat it and repeat it. Now let's make it center and let's make it enter value 2. Okay, we can see us here. Now we are going to do the same thing that we did here. Let's make it. We are going to make it same size also. Okay, so this is automatic. Okay, let's make it automatic. Now I think I want to make this a little bigger. Let me make it 20. 35. 30. Yeah. Now I'm going to make font size 25 also. Now we are just going to do the same things repeatedly. Okay, now let's make this X alignment center. X alignment center. Now we are going to make a spinner. So a spinner is something that you can choose options. Now you can see here, and there's a spinner. Take it out. You may be thinking how to add the options. Well, that's a trick. Can you see elements from string? You think you must put space here and do, but in MIT App Inventor, it's wrong. You let me teach you. First, you first put plus, okay? But now don't do any space. Just put a comma and do for others repeatedly. Now I have this. So I think I want to make a button that is calculate. So now we are going to make a button called calculate. It's center one. Let's make the width fill parent. So now we have a calculator, and now we are going to make the text center one. Now we have made fill parent. Now we are going to make a label. Okay. Now that label will be an empty label. Let's make the height 30. Okay. That looks good. And the width fill parent. Okay. Now let's go to the blocks to code. Let's make if button one, when button one click, take a if then else, take equal. Now let's take the spinner. Let's take this selection. Yeah, the selection. And now take the empty one. Equals plus we set label to first. Let's look at what is our label. This is label 3. Let's make it label 3. Now text. Now make a join block. Now make this the answer is, remember put a space. Now we are going, how do we go and get the how do we go and get the number? When we are going to get one of math and get plus get text box 1 text. Now text box 2 text. Yeah. Now you can see in your if you have a phone, you can go connect an AI companion. Just scan the code and launch this app on your device. I'll talk about it later. Now let's duplicate this. First, let's take out this else. I put in an else if 3 times. Okay. Now let's make subtraction. Also duplicate this. Now make it the answer is take out these 2 blocks and take a minus. Let's put this. Now we have also did this. Let's make it for the others. Okay. The answer is math times text box 1, text box 2. Now duplicate this and make it the divide sign. Now let's also duplicate this. Now let's make the answer is divided. Now we can see as we are done everything. Now you go to Connect and download the AI companion. Let me show you what is it, as I promised. The AI companion is like this. We have to connect. Like we have to, if you want to connect with the code, your code is here. And if you want to scan, your scanning is here. Okay, and that's all for today. Bye bye, and hope to see you next time.